Hello and welcome to Kavach Media Graphics and Databases. Today we will be talking about the structure of the national pyramid, and also I'll be trying to graphically explain you why elimination of terrorism is not responsibility of only armed forces or security forces.
As you can see in the slide, the nation/country or the motherland of its citizens always has to be on top at all times. Now, you can see religious beliefs, political parties, small groups and common people at various stages of the pyramid in the slide. At present we ask to keep few things clear in our minds. Whenever any one of these tries to bypass the next stage and make a nexus with the one above component, it is beginning of a long-term problem from a counter-terrorism, insurgency, and militancy perspective. As such, attempts to bypass the above stage always would lead to generation of sense of disbelonging, a sense of disappointment and sense of discrimination amongst the common citizens of any country. Along with this, we also need to understand it clearly that none of the stages of the shown pyramid except the topmost and the one at the base of the pyramid are of permanent in nature. Thus, even if we manage to position ourselves in the following stage of components proven in the pyramid, we need to keep a firm bonding with those who have been left behind in the final department that we ourselves came from. Once we understand this, the possibilities of any terrorist, insurgent or a militant movement to make its roots in our country, or for that matter in any other country, will be reduced. Now coming to why the war on terror is not a war of only armed forces or the security powers, and every one of us must play our share in this, our own war against terror. As you can see in the slide, that almost 80% of a terrorist movement takes shape under the disguise of non-military activities such as selection of possible recruits, their radicalization and indoctrination, logistics, collection, and movement of logistics, fund collection and local support base building are some of the significant activities that take place in the non-military, non-security sphere, which simply means that lot of things take shape and place amongst common people and on. Armed action is one part of a terrorist movement that requires specialist response in terms of weapons and tactics. Thus, the objective of our counter-terrorism and radicalization containment program is to prepare the people belonging to the 80% of the landscape where the terrorist movements take shape and durability.
Hello. Just now you listened to the description of the graphics, and now coming to the end part of today's episode, the Kavach Media Graphics and Database strongly urges you to register for the Counterterrorism and Radicalization Containment Program so that you can be better equipped with beneficial knowledge to play your part in doing away terror from our territory and defeat terror in our own war on terror. We are also glad to announce the first counter-terrorism and radicalization containment program for the journalists in India. We request all journalist comrades to join us for the stated program. For more details, you can send an email to us and we'll definitely respond to you with full details. Thank you.